welcome back to my vlog. So I know that it's been a while since the last time I vlogged. I think it's been a year na since the last time I posted sa YouTube. I actually have my clips with me but I haven't edited it since yun na nga, busy kami with schools and other stuff. Actually, this past few months I've been changing my style na a bit. Siguro na-outgrow ko na yung mga cute clothes ko and stuff. Before, I don't wear jewelry and stuff kasi accessories kasi ayaw ko nga. But now, I've been obsessed with this silver accessories. That's why, yeah. So, my agenda for today is yun. Dadalhin ko yung mga stuff ko with me. Kasi may boot kami this upcoming 18 to 19. And then, maybe I'll get some pasta. Kasi I've been craving some pasta. And then, I'll go to my class after, and then after that will be the orientation kasi the orientation will be at 5 p.m. pa. So I still have time. And yeah, enjoy my vlog guys and welcome to my Manila Egypt Tour vlog. And yeah, see you later pag kadating ko sa school. Bye! I'm with Sheena now. We're just waiting sa two other friends namin ngayon. So, we'll see you again later when we get to the airport. Bye-bye!
Bisaya kayo, day. Bisaya nyo kaay.
Asa kayo? Yeah, digital daw. Hi guys! Update again. Nana si Jul this time. Hi! Nagdali sila guys.
Our official coach captain. Siya po yung mag- Okay? Pero sa labas, definitely will go. Simbahan na kahit materials na nasa kanila. Matabi ko yan ate.
Bagay, bago na natanggal ang screen protector niya po.
Pilipino o lahat ng tao pwedeng dumaan dyan during Spanish. Tasa ng Luzon ng Maynila. Okay. Now guys, makikita kabila, doon tayo dadaan sa Grand Staircase. Okay. Wallet and cellphone. Hawak po na.
Balling na lang ng lyrics, guys. Tama.
Nakatabi po ng UST when UST was first founded po and inside.
Hi guys, update. I'm done eating na. So yeah, wala. Hindi na siya update. Yan na lang yung update. Parang I mean my friend. Hi guys. It's currently 11:42 p.m. and balak sana namin mag-watch kami ng movie. However, gusto na nila matulog. So, I guess we're going to sleep na. But, my hair is still wet. So, siguro around 12:30 na ako matutulog. Here's China, by the way. So our agenda for tomorrow, we're going to visit 2 companies. Then after that, we're going to BGC. Here, I'll just get some matcha, cause I want to get some matcha. So yan. And yeah, we're going to wake up around 6 a.m. kasi yan yung wake up time namin. Kasi yung call time namin is 7:30. So we have to pop. By the way, here's our view. Tanan! Nothing much, actually. Atong keycard. Para di kita vlog. Pero what if pagawas? Pagawas na ito without keycard. Yeah. Mas lang guys, welcome back to my vlog. So, I'm done getting ready. I'm already dressed. I'm just waiting for my friends cause bababa na kami kasi magsa-start na yung tour. So, yeah. This is my makeup for today. By the way, my outfit. This is my outfit. So, I don't know if you can see my outfit. Wait, let me adjust this thing. So, this is my outfit. My top is from Shein, my bag is from Shein, my pants is from Shopee. Also, my accessories is from Shein. And yeah, that's my whole outfit for today. By the way, I'll give you guys a quick room tour. Quick room tour. Guys. This is our living area. We actually got 2 beds here and a couch and a dining table. So that's my friends. They're getting ready. And this is our bathroom. And we also have 2 rooms here. Then yung other one is merong bathroom din. So, yeah. They're busy with their makeup. Here's Gina, guys. Jill and Cheska is here as well. So, yeah, that's our whole... Oh yeah, this is our room, Michina. So yeah, that's our whole... That's the whole look of the hotel. And yeah, it's already, I don't know, currently 7 a.m. and we have to be on the bus by 7:30. So I think we're going to leave by 7:10. So yeah, I need to go back. Yeah, I need to go. Bye, guys.
Sige na, kain na kayo. Kung some of you still want to go to the restroom, mag-restroom. Left side po natin, ayan kayo yung sa mga IMAX guys, hindi kayo sa kanan. Ang middle name, the former president.
Vlog update. Actually, mo klaro tayo. What are we doing sa science? Nice siya. Ah. So we're here at BGC. So we only have few minutes left before before 8:30, which means we have to chop kasi need na namin bumalik doon sa bus. So yeah. See you again later. it's the third day today. And yeah, today we're going to a company, and then after that, pupunta na kami sa Star Castle. So yeah, that's our goal for today's tour. Yeah. See you again later, guys. Bye!
So, kanina nabanggit ko sa inyo yung all about here sa may Apada area. Okay, thank you. I-reclaim na po nila yung dagat po sa Kalit. Kasihan ngayon eh, hindi na sila kagalang-galang ng
Hi guys! Update, we're at Star City. So, who is this gay bitch? She is scared of big things, including dinosaurs. I'm scared of big actions.
Guys, gamit mo. Gamit mo.
Go guys! Go guys! Get in the line. Yes, life update. Almost killed ourselves. Ang mga kids. Kids, ingat kayo. I got 2 capybaras.
Okay, kuya, paano po na songs? Okay guys, may I have your attention please? As of, kung saan tayo bababa guys, okay, ang landmark nun is Friday.
I got matcha tiramisu cake and iced matcha latte. So, yeah. See na, guys! See na!